What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So this is spring decor part 2. If you missed part 1, definitely go check it out so you can see all the new spring decor slash summer, I guess you could say, decor that I'm adding to my home. We are jumping right into this video. As you can see, I am going to be DIYing my bread box. I just want something a little bit more new and modern. I had as you can see, it's a galvanized bread box and it has a more farmhouse look to it. And I want something a little bit more, like I said, again, modern. So I'm just going to be taking this spray paint here and giving it some new life. And I'm really excited because I want to see how this comes out, and I hope it's gonna, I'm sure it's gonna come out pretty good. So all right, let's jump in. If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Denise Marie. I am a working mom of 4, and I try to put videos out there at least once a week, but it doesn't always happen. So anyways, I hope you like what you see. Definitely stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below what's your favorite. We've got a lot going on in this video today. So all right, let's get started. All right, and here is the finished product about 2 to 3 coats later. I am super happy with the way this came out. It costs next to nothing to redo it, and I just feel like it went from farmhouse to more modern. I know it's all black, but I'm okay with that. Like, it's just my preference, and I really like it. So it's part of my I guess you could say it's part of my spring decor, because it is something that I, redid to make my kitchen look a little bit more nicer. And yep, I'm really happy. You can see the back here. There's a little bit of scratching, but I'm not too worried about that because nobody's going to see the back. So tell me what you think. So these baskets I got on clearance from Target. They are from the Threshold line, and I will be using them to update my haul tree. So another piece for my haul tree is going to be this quick DIY pillow that I'm going to be making. I had this fabric from Hobby Lobby, and I actually got it during Christmas time. I had another project in mind for it, but I did not end up doing that project. And I really love the way this looks. My son says it reminds him of a birch tree, and I love the neutralness of it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and DIY the pillow really quick, and we'll also use some YouTube magic to get the pillow done. And we're done. Ta-da! So I didn't show me decorating the haul tree, but I wanted to show how it looked when I used the pillow that I made for the haul tree. And then if you noticed, I flipped over my magnolia bag to the other side so you can see the different side of it, and also show how I'm utilizing those baskets that I bought from Target. And I really love the way it came out. Simple but modern, and I love it. So now we're moving on to my living room. I definitely wanted to show y'all what I updated in my living room for my spring decor here. So if you cannot already tell, I got these new pillows that I love so much. They are the lighter shade of cream color. I really love them. I love the texture about them. I have such a dark brown chocolate couch, and I love my couch. It's of good quality leather, but it's not my favorite color anymore. And so I would really love to get something new, but it's just not in the budget at this time. So I decided to get these beautiful pillows right here. I got those from TJ Maxx. It did come in a 2-pack. I really love the texture of the pillows and the look of the pillows. And yeah, I just thought they were fresh looking for spring, and I thought they would kind of brighten up my couch a little bit. And I thought they went really nice with the ivory color that I already have here. And the best part about these pillows is that they do have a zipper, so if I want to change them out, I can definitely change them out to something different. The middle pillow here is from Target. That is from the Hearth and Hand line. I really loved it. When I saw it, I thought it went really well with the pillows. It has a touch of black, ivory, and that cream, very light colored creamy white, and I just think it goes really, really nice together. Yes, I have a mess on the side, as you can see. This is real life. But tell me what you think. Comment down below. So really quick here, I wanted to show my other couch and how I left the original pillow that I've had on there. But I was thinking about changing out the two because that pillow in the middle I originally bought for the couch, for the other couch, the mustard color, I guess you could say, yellow couch. And I just want to ask y'all's opinion. Do you think I should put it on the mustard colored couch and leave no pillow? And I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about here in the next slide so that you can give me your opinion. So really quick, this is what I was talking about. I could just leave it as is like this with just the 4 pillows on the couch and no pillow in the middle, or I could and then I could put that middle pillow on the other couch, on the mustard colored couch, because that's what I bought it for, or just leave it the way I had it. So comment down below, give me your opinion. I need to know what I should do because I'm kind of stuck in the middle here. So one of the last things I bought for my home for my spring decor that I'm excited to show you is this beautiful blanket for my blanket ladder. I found this at TJ Maxx and I found this at Marshall's and I just fell in love with the texture of it, the look of it, the vibe that it was giving to me. I don't know how to explain it. I just know that I fell in love with the look of it and I just thought it would look great on my couch. Oh my gosh, my couch, really. I can't talk today, guys. On my blanket ladder. And I love the tassels here at the bottom of it. So yeah, like I said, I just fell in love with it. You know, when you fall in love with something and you just feel like you got to take it home and it'll look perfect in your home, that's how I felt about it. All right, everybody. So that's a wrap for Spring Decor Part 2. I really hope you enjoyed. Definitely hit that subscribe button and stick around. And follow me on Instagram, Denise_Marie06. See y'all guys in the next video. Bye.